Time for some coffee. Oh, here's my coffee. Hot and tasty. Oh, lovely. The kids aren't home. The girl isn't home. I can sit down, drink my coffee and read. Oh, I even got my Swedish snus. My tasty snus. Snus for the coffee. What's this? A G-Shock. I love my G-Shock, but I can't drink coffee with this watch. Welcome to the low mid budget watch report, and today I'm going to unbox the perfect coffee table watch, the Orient Triton 70-year anniversary watch. It's an automatic, it has 22 joules, and it's the Orient in-house movement. And well, let's take a look at the box. This is the box, and it came with this paper stuff, but you don't need to know that. This is the actual box, and it looks sick. It's very nice. It's a classy box for the 70-year anniversary of Orient. Well, let's open this beautiful box and take a look at the watch. It comes with international guarantee, and it has a certificate of guarantee. It's authorized retailer, distributor. It's an authorized Orient dealer. It is an authorized Orient dealer, and that's what it says in this guarantee certificate. Well, happy to know that. And let's take a look at this beautiful watch. It already started ticking by just moving it a little bit, and it comes with a Orient tag. I love the Orient logo. I love the Orient logo. It reminds me of my favorite snus, Ettan portion snus, and the Orient. It's very similar to the logo. Is very similar. It says that it's gold-plated metal, but it looks more like gunmetal to me. But it's very. I like the color of the metal. It's very cool, and I like the kind of coffee-colored, cappuccino-colored dial. It's a very beautiful watch. Well, let's try it on and see if it fits. Well, it fits very well. Feels very good, and the leather strap feels very nice. It's a well-made strap. It has the Orient logo on the buckle. I think it's real leather. I don't know if it's genuine leather or real leather, but I think it's real leather. Yeah, let's do some measurements. The case is 43 millimeters, and from the bottom to the top of the crown it's 46 millimeters. From lug end to lug end it's 51 millimeter, and between the lugs it is 22 millimeters. So if you want to put a NATO on this classy watch, you can do that, but I think the leather strap is more suitable for this type of watch. But if you want to put a NATO band on it, it's a 22 millimeter NATO band. And the thickness of the watch is 13 millimeters, and it's a screw off case back. Yes. Let's take a closer look at the Orient Triton 70-year anniversary watch. Wow, as you can see, it's a very cappuccino looking watch, and the movement is really smooth. It's a very nice movement. And yeah, you can pull the bezel backwards only. And the gunmetal is just awesome. And there's the buckle with the Orient logo. And the nice leather strap. Yeah. And let's take a look at the back case. And there's nothing out of the ordinary. It looks good. Looks fine. Yeah, I just love this movement. It's very smooth. Well, let's take a look how it looks on my wrist. And yes, it looks good on the wrist and it feels very nice. And this is the lume in the dark. Nothing out of the ordinary, but it's very good. See, because we don't have much sunlight in Sweden right now, and it seems to absorb the sun very good. Well, this is just an amazing automatic watch for the money, and it's about $350 in most stores, but I bought it for $250. I think you can find it for $250. Yeah, it's totally worth the money. An amazing automatic watch for the price. And I love the leather strap. It feels comfortable, and just take a look at the watch. It is truly an amazing coffee table watch. And, yeah, it has this cappuccino look. The people who made this watch must have drank a lot of coffee, and they thought, well, we needed this coffee table watch. There's no other watch more proper to wear while drinking coffee. Well, and it's a 20 bar watch, so you can swim with this watch also if you want to drink a cup of coffee and go straight down in the ocean. You can also do this with this magnificent Orient. I am truly impressed by this watch. And yeah, as I said, this is a $350 watch, but I think you can, if you look around, you can get it for $250. It says that it's a limited edition. Perhaps it is, perhaps it isn't, but that's what the company says it is. Well, this maybe will become my new favorite watch. I love my Mido, but this Orient is also a challenger. Of course, I always love my G-Shocks too, but I love a lot of watches, but this is a challenger. What more is there to say? The Orient is the perfect coffee table watch, and you get a lot of value for the money. Bang for the bucks. Bang for the bucks is what they are saying. Alright, that's all, homies. Peace out.